Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Preschool. It's me, Miss Mazingo. I'm so glad you came and joined me today for Preschool Online. How about we go ahead and get started by standing up and saying our Pledge of Allegiance. Are you ready? Here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side. And we say, I am somebody. I will succeed in school and life. I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. All right, it is May, and it is the 21st day of May. Are you ready to sing our Days of the Week song? All right, here we go. Get that snapping going. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Your turn. Get ready. Here we go. Days of the week. 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 All right, we sing our Days of the Week song. Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday. So I know it is May. Thursday, May 21st, 2020. Now let's do our pattern. We had pink on Carly's birthday, blue, pink, blue. What's going to come here? That's right, pink. Good job. All right. We said it was going to be partly sunny today, and it is not partly sunny. At least it's not crazy windy like it was yesterday, but there is no sun to be seen. So that means our day is cloudy. Yes. What do we think for tomorrow? What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? Oh no, I heard somebody say rainy. I hope not. However, that means I wouldn't have to water my garden, so that would be good. All right, let's take a look, and let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready to say their alphabet? Okay, here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Awesome. All right, counting to 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, backwards from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see. What color is this My Little Pony down here? She is pink. What's her name? Do you remember? Pinkie Pie. And what about Sadness? What color is she? Blue, yes. And Disgust? Green. Excellent job. Let's take a look at some shapes. What shape is this one right here? What is that? Octagon. Yes. What color is our octagon? Purple. What shape is this? It is a triangle. And what color is it? Orange. Yes. Excellent job. Our nursery rhyme this week is Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider, who sat down beside her, and frightened Miss Muffet away. Taking a look at this money. What is the big one down here? What is that one called? Quarter. How about this one? Nickel. Here, dime. And the brown one is a penny. What number is this? 4. This one? 7, 9, 10, 8, 6, 3, 2, 1, 5. And this week we're not building letters, we're building numbers. We're working on numbers 3 and 4. Let's talk about when we're making them, where we start.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
You get your mat out, your pieces if you have
Where
it.
do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top? Yes, it's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top?
Here we go, eyes. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? This is the top. Reach out and touch the top. Now we're going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom?
Yes, it's
The bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle.
Where
Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Going down.
Is this the top?
Oh, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
Oh, it's the middle.
Is this the top?
Yes, it's the top.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
All right. Whoops, wrong button. I wanted to show you, before I move on, that we have a really cool kid who can play some music like that. And here he is. Look it. There's Clark. He is playing the drum and the guitar now. Look at this. Looks like he is, looks like he is having fun outside. Awesome job, Clark. I love to see pictures of our friends. All right, everyone should be ready to make the number 3. So we have our 2 little curves. And Mr. Matt, let's grab our first little curve and put it at the top under Mr. Matt's smiling face. I'm going to get our other little curve and put it right under that. We've made the number 3. All right, are you ready to make it together? Fingers at the top. And we say, little curve, little curve. Awesome, friends. All right. So what is our next number? 4. So let's go ahead and move our little curves off. And we're going to make the number 4 by grabbing a little line and putting it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Grab another little line and put it across. And draw a big line down. And let's make the number 4 together. Is everybody ready? Fingers at the top, right under Mr. Matt's smiling face. We say, little line down, little line over, frog jump up, big line down. One more time, let's make it together. Fingers at the top, little line down, little line over, frog jump up, big line down. Awesome. What numbers did we make today? 3 and 4. That's right. Now, we have one more day of school tomorrow. And then the week after that, we start a new 2 more letters, or 2 more numbers. I'll get there. So this is super exciting to be working on our numbers now. So make sure you're working on your letters at home too. Practice writing your name. Practice writing the alphabet, the whole thing. If you do the whole alphabet, could you send me a picture and show me you writing the alphabet from A to Z? Could you write the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4? That would be awesome. And I'll show it during circle time, or Mrs. Hill will show it during circle time. Friends, have a great day, and I miss you so much, and I hope you're having a wonderful time today on this little cloudy Thursday. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. And don't forget to check out Mrs. Nichols' story time and do a little music with me. Bye.